Malolele kids, I'm Mele's mum, and I'm really excited to be here today to teach you some Tongan basic words and phrases. Shall we start? Let's go. Malolele. That means hello. Malolele. Hello. Malo aupito. That means thank you. Malo aupito. Thank you. Fefe hake means how are you? Fefe hake. How are you? Saipe malo means good thank you. Saipe malo. Good thank you. Dulo means excuse me. Dulo. Excuse me. Kātaki. That means please. Kātaki. Please. Ha'u. That means come. Ha'u. Come. Aluki fair. That means where are you going? Aluki fair. Where are you going? Alu. That means go. Alu. Go. Kamata. That means start. Kamata. Start. Osi. That means finish. Osi. Finish. Nofo kilalo. That means sit down. Nofo kilalo. Sit down. Io. That means yes. Ikai. That means no. Io. Yes. Ikai. No. Meakai means food. Inu means drink. Meakai, food. Inu, drink. Taha, 1. Ua, 2. Tolu, 3. Fa, 4. Nima, 5. Ono, 6. Fitu, 7. Valu, 8. Hiva, 9. Hongofulu, 10. Wow, that was awesome, kids. Now we're going to finish off with the Tongan alphabet. There are 16 letters. Are you ready? Let's go. A. E. Fa. Ha. I. Ka. La. Ma. Na. Nga. O. Pa. Sa. Ta. U. Va. I'm so proud of each and every one of you, and malo aupito Miss Ioane for the opportunity to share the Tongan language. Give yourselves a round of applause.